everybody, it's the Monkey King Son Goku, and we are making another delicious recipe. Today's recipe is called the cereal sandwich. And as you can see, we're most definitely cereal. Okay, so things you're gonna need: Wonder Bread, bam, Vector, bam, a little splash of eggs. Watching? Okay. I'm not gonna teach you how to cook that. Oh, and soy sauce, definitely. Okay. Now, let me just point out that the reason that we're making these videos is not to disgust or dismay, mainly just for fun. Anyway, let's start cooking. All right, Brendan. All right, now you do everything. All right, now this is my assistant, Alpha Gorilla.
What's up?
Alright, now he will be making everything with close contact. Well, let's see how it starts.
First, we take it out of the bag. We need two. Just stuff that down. And stuff that down. And back to cereal. And we're just gonna put it down like you're gonna put it in the oh. I could add a lot more to get more crunch to it. And then I take the leftover egg from breakfast, which was very delicious. Shh. Put that on top of that motherfucker right there. Pat it down with my hand, which is really nasty.
Just use a little bit.
And a little spritz of soy sauce, which smells horribly nasty. And I do not know how to fucking open this. Oh, motherfucker, this is nasty. Dude, a little pinch that. There you go. It's pinch-tastic. And then, bam! Crunch egg. It's Billy sandwich. Now, I'm gonna take a bite.
Bon appetit.
No. You can really taste the crunch.
Alright, that's you have anything else to say before I sign off?
That egg brings out the flavor.
Alright, well
This is fucking nasty.
that's all for now. If you want the recipe, just check the description.